No, you can see my way. All right, anyway. Hey guys, and welcome and welcome. What is going on with this top? All right, you know what? I'm not changing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video should be a very chill one, a very probably quick one. I just want to do like a really quick, everyday simple look so I can show you guys the new primer that I've been using, because it might be a primer that has restored my faith in primer, because y'all know for a good minute, beginning of this year, I was kind of like, do you really need primers? But I've been wearing this one for a minute, and I mentioned it on Twitter, and someone was like, well, you haven't done a video on it yet. So because you will not clock me, let's get into it. So this is the Milk Makeup Hydra Grip Primer. I'm sure you've probably heard about this by now. When they released the promo for this, I'm pretty sure everyone was just like, I need to have it. I still don't know if sis was already wearing makeup in that video, but if she was not, God bless her and God bless this product. My skin doesn't look like that after. If I can find it, I'll insert it somewhere here in the video. My skin doesn't look like that after putting this on, but it does look good. So I'm gonna do one little drop there, and that is what the product looks like. And then just focus this in my T-zone area. It is very cooling to the face, so it feels nice to put this on. And then once you start blending it out, look at my skin, look at my skin, look at her. I'm not sure why I'm yelling at you guys. This is what my face is looking like after applying the primer. It's very easy to spread out on your face. It kind of has a gel-like feeling to it, but it also quickly gets kind of sticky because of the whole, gripping thing. Like, obviously you guys won't really be able to tell, but my face is starting to feel tacky. So for foundation today, I'm gonna use this Tom Ford foundation stick. I mean, $87, we're gonna put you to use. Let me know if you want a video on like what foundations I have in my rotation. Hey, what foundations are in my rotate? Okay, sorry. Facebook mom moment there. Let me know, because I'd show it in this video, but any video that's over like 7 minutes, people start complaining that you're talking just to talk, even though my channel name is what it is. And I'll get that video out there for you guys. Sometimes I really do just be chatting though, so fair enough. And we're just going to blend that out. I try not to get foundation under my eye because I go in with two concealers there. So the first one is the Fenty Pro Filter. Yes, Pro Filter concealer that I just placed right there. And then Cover FX Power Play right over that. And first I'm going to use a brush to blend that out, and then just over it again with a sponge, and then just kind of lightly dust over set with the Fenty powder in Banana. So I'm actually going to bake on top of that. I know it's 2019, everyone's moving away from baking, but I saw Mario do it on Amrezy, and I don't do it often, but I'm gonna do it today. So, I'm just going to Alright, nothing, too crazy. I've certainly seen crazier. So I'm going to, got it, darn it. I'm gonna use this Prime Beauty bronzer in Chocolate Lily as more of a contour. I also learned from, was it Mario? It might have been Mario. If not, then it was Makeup by Ariel, to stop actually, drawing the lines on your face and then blending it out, and just, like dip and straight onto your face, because it makes it look less harsh than when you draw the lines on your face. And ever since I tried that, I was like, you know what? They might be onto something, so I stopped doing that. Set my entire face. I'm gonna use this Ben Nye Luxury Powder. I actually have not tried the ever so famous Ben Nye Banana Powder. And they actually sent me Topaz as well. I didn't try Topaz, but I'm using it in, what shade is this? Oh, dark cocoa. And I've been using that to set my entire face, and I am here for it. I'm not mad. I'm gonna use this Morphe E58 because it has kind of that more flat surface, and I just kind of place the powder on my face first before I start going in, and this is also the part where I, you know, dust away my fake. And I just kind of start pushing in and low-key wiping away. All right, I'm gonna take this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This spray has the, had to make sure I was filming. This spray has the nicest mister I've ever, don't get in my wig. You see that? You saw how, oh, okay, all right. Ooh, let me just go ahead and put this on my face. So I'm just going to, oh, y'all already know, let it, you know, sit enough on your face, and then without adding any more powder onto your brush, just kind of push the spray in a little. For blush today, I'm feeling orangey, so I'm gonna use this orange from this Jouer blush palette. If you go overboard with blush, it's okay, because again, you can just go over it with your powder brush. Don't add any more powder to the brush, but it just kind of helps blend it in more with your bronzer and the rest of your face. Kind of blush my nose and my chin. And because the Morphe spray is more of a blend everything together spray than a setting spray, at least for my oily skin, I'm gonna use this Urban Decay De-Slick. Hold it a lot farther away and I'm so annoyed because I'm trying to show you guys the best mascara out right now, which is the Pat McGrath one, but I can't find it. I literally found all of these mascaras, but I can't find the Pat one. I'm pretty sure, is this it? No. I'm pretty sure it's really hard when it's just in a black tube, but I'm pretty sure I used it yesterday, so where is it? I mean, this one's a good mascara, but it's not the same as Auntie Pat. So if you were wondering if you should pick up Pat's mascara, yes, you should. It's what I've been wearing in all of my recent videos, and I'm gonna just keep it to this chapstick here. One, because, you know, it's a simple look, and two, I'm filming a lip swatch video for Instagram right after this, so I don't want to put a lip color on yet. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You know, the whole point of me really doing this video was so I can show you guys. Honestly, if you guys could see all of the bloopers that I have in all of my videos. But the point of me filming this video was so I could show you guys the Milk Primer in action, so you can actually know that I'm wearing it. I have really been loving this primer. It is hydrating to the face. I feel like it just makes your face just glow with it on. You can still have a, you know, somewhat mattified look if you do have oily skin, and still have hydrated, you know, glow from within type of look going on there. So I'm feeling this primer. Definitely go pick it up if you've been thinking about it. If you're still a little unsure, they do have a mini version, which is half the price, because I think the full price is $30 and the half mini size is $15. So make sure to go check it out. I hope, you know, you guys liked this simple look here, this everyday look, this 5-minute, well, it ain't 5 minutes, it's really not, but I hope you guys liked watching it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. This shirt really looks like I just didn't get it in my size or something. Why is it sitting like that? This top, what is, you know that feeling where you're like, I have a hair on my face, I just don't know where it is, and I also can't see. Disrespectful crater on my face, just disrespectful. Like, do you pay rent?